Today's website review is on Tillamook. Of all the websites, so I've been doing a ton of website reviews, and this one is not blocked by our district. So, of all the reviews I've done, I saved this for the last, but the student already presented. She presented today, and she didn't have the review because I didn't do it because it wasn't blocked, but I regret not doing it because she did amazing. Her presentation, I swear, I fell in love with the company. She went above and beyond. She got like over 100, 110%. This was by far the best presentation I've seen in my entire teaching career. So she's a high school student. Um, and she knocked it out of the park. You should have seen it. She came dressed up as she had this little cute like cow hoodie. She had a TY beanie baby of a cow. She had the soft music playing in the background. She had all 15 slides. She had a great history on slide 4, the company history. Then she had the link. Obviously, she showed us this website, which I'm going to browse for you. So I didn't do the review, so I'm going to do it now. Better late than never. But if her mom is watching this video, and I hope she is, I will be making a phone call home. And it's all positive. This is one of those phone calls where it's like, I'm speechless. I'm speechless. I think all the students now are going to go buy this product. Now we know about this product, so we're going to pay attention when we're in the store, in the supermarket, and we see Tillamook, whether we see the ice cream or whether we see the cheese. I actually am going to plan, I told my students the last day, January 30th, I'm going to surprise, we're going to bring ice cream in. So we're going to have like the last day, end of the semester, Tillamook ice cream party. I know it's winter and it's cold here in New York, but we're still going to try this ice cream. I never had it, so it's going to be my first among a lot of students' first as well. But after that presentation, I think we're always going to keep her in our mind with that beanie baby, with just the look, her eye contact, her posture, her presence. Everything was just superior. And all the students, we were engaged. We couldn't stop but to hear more about this wonderful company. So let me browse. So they do make cheese, you have ice cream. Um, she went into a lot of the history with her PowerPoint, which is great. You can click on more about us. So since 1909, here's some links of the history. It's a very nice website. So I'm just gonna quickly browse down here. You guys missed it though. You missed a wonderful presentation. Oh, I wish you would have seen that. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to be talking about it like all day, probably all week to all my classes. So this is the About Us. I always went on that. Here's some recipes, which is nice. They have that on the homepage. So I love the pictures. I love the links. We are at school right now, so I know Instagram will be blocked, but at least we can take a look at the YouTube channel. After you can visit us right here. Here you'll see the picture. And then the benefits were great. I know she went into the education benefit. It was like a little over like 10,000 a year, which is great. That's amazing. I mean, a lot of the times I'd have students focus on careers, any scholarship opportunities, any tuition reimbursement, and then how old do you have to be to work there. Let's go back. Uh-oh. Let's see. Here's the shop I just clicked on. It's taken a minute to load. Let's wait on that. All right, we might just go back because the online shop, again, it's taking a little bit longer to load. And then now we're just going to take a peek at the you can take a look at the news about us. Here are all the links, the careers. So let me just click on careers. You can view their open positions here. 16 positions that are open. You can search. And now let's go to their YouTube channel. So we're going to go back down. I think I saw the links on the home page right here on the bottom. So there's a YouTube channel, subscribe. We are already subscribed, 7.9K subscribers, 323 videos. And you can watch some of their content here. All right, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye.